So I'm doing some of the prep work for the spring, and I'm really stoked about this. I've been doing, and I'm trying to get this set up here, that's so it holds. We've been doing, I've been working in hydroponics for the past few years, and probably the best, I probably have the best of luck with it over normal just in the ground gardening. And it always seems I never buy the right compost or the right plant nutrients, and I have used my own chickens, their stuff, their dump, and before, and that worked out okay. I think we had a pretty good sweet potato yield last year, but for like leafy greens and stuff like that, the hydroponic seems to work really well. So in my little sun room that I have over here connected to my bedroom, I've got cabbages growing in there, and they're starting to make their little ball. So I'm really excited about that. Probably got about 8 cabbages coming off of that, and planted them how long ago? Probably a month or 2 ago. I don't know. It doesn't feel like it's been very long. But those are starting to do their thing. And I think what the goal is for me isn't necessarily to say this is a cheaper way of food or getting food. It's not necessarily the cheapest way of producing food either. But what it does for someone like me, I have 4 boys. I have a beautiful wife. What it does for me is it keeps us out of the grocery store. That's the secret, right? If I can keep us from going to the store, we save money. So that's the idea. Shh, don't tell her. It's my dog Bandit. You want to say hi, Bandit? Oh, we're falling. See? Hey, say hi. Hi, Bandit. I know we're real original. We of course like blue one. So you get to see me with my crazy hair. Look at that. I'm not cutting it. Totally not cutting it. We're growing it out for my wife's favorite holiday. Her favorite holiday, could you guess? It's Halloween. I was thinking of being William Wallace. She, of course, loves my long locks. Yep. Trying to get prepared. That's all we're trying to do. Prepare. I think that's all I'm ever doing is preparing for something. Preparing a talk, preparing a presentation, preparing for the days of tribulation ahead. That's all we're ever doing is preparing and preparing. It's kind of therapeutic to fill these little net cups with coco coir and perlite. I use a I think this mixture's 60% cocoa peat and 30% or 40% perlite.
We'll see if we can tag team that and get any info out. Because the other thing I'm thinking of is...
And I'm not sure yet what we're gonna put in these. I just know I need to start getting things started. We want to do all kinds of peppers. And we can grow peppers in the hydroponic towers. Oh, hello, little boy. How are you? You look like a little feral child. Hi. Say hi, Alfie.
Hi, Alfie.
There's a little feral child. What am I doing? I'm putting this stuff in these little cups.
Oh.
Yeah. Yep. So peppers, tomatoes, some good fruiting plants that can grow in the towers. And what I'm gonna do is run my trellis, I'm gonna do like the sandwich trellis. So there's gonna be a trellis on one side, trellis on the other side of the towers, and then of course all the peppers and tomatoes can use those to climb on. So those ideas came from a channel I watch called I think it's called Hydroponics. Yeah, like I said, I've been learning and practicing and trying to do this stuff for probably since COVID. Yeah, that's when I really got interested in this kind of thing. So I think also these towers are a good way to plant food in a small space. So, I mean, I have about a ½ acre here, and that's quite a bit of space to even do just a normal garden. But I'm also living where I'm living to help other people learn how to probably grow food in a small space, because again, I don't think we're gonna be, food's getting expensive. Inflation's through the roof. I don't care who you ask. You see it in the grocery store. The 10-pound thing of burger I used to get for $30 is now $50. So at Sam's Club. So, and again, anything to keep us out of the store or go longer periods of time without having to go to the store is exactly what I'm after. That's where the real savings is. It's not necessarily in the fact that the things cost.
4:46.
Yes, wifey?
Do we need to get ourselves ready and going for this?
Oh, we probably do.
Yeah. Oh.
We gotta go prep. It's fine. We've gotta go prep for a church activity.
So,
I'm just talking to a camera.
Okay, you're not on the live.
No, I'm not on a live.
Do a live, huh?
I could actually. I feel like pretty comfortable right here doing this, just loading these up and talking to the camera.
We just gotta know when you're doing it, so then I'm not like,
What are you doing? All right, we'll go prep for this. Again, preparing for
get ready for Mexican fiesta.
a church activity that we are in charge of. So, see ya.